DIY Jules here with another installment of Trick My Trailer with my handy dandy helper today, Miss Jessie. It's gray. We don't want it gray. We want it tan. Ideally, we would really like it dark brown, but if you're painting over vinyl siding, you can't go dark. You have to kind of stay light because the base color is light. So, what we do here is tap your brush so the paint doesn't like drip and run off of it, right? And then you start, okay, get the underside. This is, of course, after we have power washed and wiped, okay, these things down to get the dust off of them. So you start with the underside. Okay. And then you just lay it off. Okay, and then when you're done for your final run in little sections, you kind of lay it off like that, and that way then the grain of the paintbrush fills in with the grain of the siding, and you'll never really even notice it. So, thankfully this is only a single wide. We were going to spray it, but we've just decided, you know what? Spraying is excellent, it really is, but it's just a lot of work to get the sprayer out, get it prime pump, blah, 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 blah. So, I do believe we're going to wind up brushing this whole thing, and I'll be back with you with more progress.